hear anybody right now. There's two more. There's two more of them.
Okay, I'll start recording now. Oh, M416, everyone.
Yeah, careful.
Okay, got my extender.
We're right next to a bunch of houses.
Crouching. Good spot here.
See anybody?
Oh, let's hide. No, let's hide here. So like when they come out the house, we'll shoot them.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yep.
Let's record. Okay. I'm hiding behind this
tree. Are you in the zone?
Yep.
Alright.
I see a guy.
Oh, where?
He was here.
Ahead.
Okay. What? That's
Like.
There's nothing there.
Up behind the stones.
Which stone? Can you point it out?
One sec. I don't see him now. One sec. I just saw him passing by. Okay.
I'm gonna throw a grenade.
No, not now. Not now. It's too dangerous. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, there he is. I see him.
1.
He's over there.
Enemies ahead.
Okay. Oh, I see him. Killed one of them. Got him.
Nice.
Yes! Winner, man! Winner. Yes.
Did you get both kills at the
Yeah.
end? Or did he kill...
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I killed both guys.
Oh, I thought the second last guy got killed by the last guy.
Yeah.